Hey everyone, I am Naim Hussain and welcome back with another cracking video after a long time. And this video is very interesting because in this video I will show you how to crack internal panel. Yes, how to crack internal panel. Previous video, like almost 1 year, I showed you how to crack external panel. So this video I will show how to crack internal panel. Okay, and first of all I want to say you must join our Discord server to regular updates, and this is our first server, our main server Potato. There are almost 3000 members. This is my main channel and this is my second channel, cracked channel. Sorry. I upload regular cracked panel in this server. Okay, almost 300. So you must go to my main channel. Those of link I provided in this video description on pre-comment. And this is our second server. The name is 1337 engine. Okay, if you go to my cracked item channel, you will see any type of panel or crack. Okay, almost 70% panel we cracked. Okay, in the whole Free Fire panel community. So you must join our those of server. Okay, so now to crack internal panel you need some cracking tools. So first of all you need cheat engine. Okay, in this video I will show you how to crack internal panel with cheat engine. You just open your browser and search cheat engine. Okay, cheat engine, and go to official page and here you download the cheat engine. Okay, after download and install, it's showing in your desktop. Now I cracked this panel. So this panel name internal panel as stick silent. Okay, so we need to open our emulator first. So okay, and open Free Fire. So I open my cheat engine. This is my customized undetected cheat engine. Okay, it's also work default regular cheat engine. Okay, I just use undetected for my purpose.
Oh man, I should have finished those deep fried chicken wings from last night.
So I open the internal loader. Okay, this is loader runtime broker. Okay, so now I open the loader. This is the main option. First inject DLL, clear temp files, open BlueStack as administrator. Okay, I first inject DLL. Okay, I don't need a temp file cleaner. I just inject option 1. This is the main menu. Okay, now this is the main login page of the internal. Okay, so now how to crack this type of panel internal. Okay, external panel is very easy, but in this video I will show the DLL loader. Okay, DLL auth main auth. So now if I enter any wrong password like 11 and try to log in, they call error to login because it's wrong password. Okay, so if you move your mouse cursor in the bottom of your taskbar, font of your emulator. There are two tabs. First of all, there are MSI and second one form one. This form one is the main form of the login page. Okay, panel login form. This is login form, and you also see in your tax manager. Okay, I go to the MSI player and expand. There is the form one. Okay, this is the panel login form. So first you go to your cheat engine. Okay, you use cheat engine. This is my customized and directed cheat engine. You also try default cheat engine. Okay, official cheat engine. So you click the processed icon, process list, and go to the Windows tab. Okay, Windows tab, and find the form one. This is the form one. You input the exact name. Okay, form one. So this is the form one. Okay, and attached. Open. Just after open, you just click the open file. This is the script. I have the script, so I just input in my cheat engine. This is internal cracker uh it table. Okay, so just click and open. So there are the cheat table. Okay, so I show you again. If I click wrong password, input wrong password, there are error to login. Any type of password I input wrong, any wrong password I input, there are login failed. So now I just click open module. I just initialize the script. Okay, just click open module. There are show the login bypass toggle. Okay, so now not login bypass, so I just click login bypass toggle and click login. This is bypassed, and this is the security. We not to check them, we not to bypass them because it's now works. I go to my sharing mode, and now we enable embed trace, enable, and go to ESP and just input its work. Okay, it's work. Yes, it's work. And there are a lot of function. Enemy pool spin board, firstware, black sky. Okay, many type of function there have. So this is the tutorial how to crack internal panel. So if you need to this script, you must join our server and create a ticket and DM me. This my Discord ID. Okay, name, you just inbox. Okay.